Hi everyone, Seth coming to you from the Kenwood Training Department. Today we're introducing the new DMX7704S. This is a digital multimedia receiver that supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Let's take a look inside the box. The first item inside of the box will be the Bluetooth microphone. Next, we will have two USB extension cables. We'll talk about these in more detail in just a few moments. Next will be the GPS antenna, and then the wiring power harness. For the GPS antenna, we also do include the GPS mounting pad. These are the mounting screws. Next will be the radio removal tools. Some important paperwork, the Kenwood warranty card. The Kenwood DMX7704S does include a 1-year warranty. And then you'll have your instruction manuals available in a few different languages. Next will be the included trim ring. You will notice that on the DMX7704S is the included mounting cage. That is where you would use this optional trim ring. Let's take a look at the back side of the receiver. On the left hand of the receiver will be 3 cords. You'll have a video output. You'll have a dash cam for the DRV-N520 or front view camera input depending upon what you're using. And you'll also have a rear view camera input connection. Below that will be your AV out audio. And below that will be the AM/FM antenna input. Next to those will be 3 sets of 4-volt RCA pre-outs. The rears at the top, the fronts in the middle, and the subwoofer at the bottom. Directly above the pre-outs will be the Bluetooth microphone input. And to the right of that will be the GPS antenna input. On the other side, the white input will be for the dash camera. That will be for the DRV-N520. Next to that will be the AV input. This would be for using our optional CA-C3 AV cable. Next to that, you will notice 2 USB cables, a black USB input and a gray USB input. Earlier, we talked about the USB extension cables that were included. Those are also color-coded. The black USB input is for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The gray USB input can also be used for Android Auto, or it could be used for a secondary iPod Touch 5th or 6th generation with a Lightning style plug. We also support USB flash drives and hard drives. Let's power the receiver on and show you some really cool new features that it has. When you first power on the receiver, you will see an initial setup screen. Here you can make some changes such as changing the language, clock, display, and camera. When selecting display, you will notice one of our new technologies called viewing angle. Here you can change the internal focus of the display for those pesky angled dashboards. A great new technology. We'll select the back arrow and then select camera. This is where you will set up your rear camera and front camera. When you select the dashboard camera / front camera, this is where you will see that now we have support for the dashboard camera, the DRV-N520. You will also notice that we have support for the CMOS 3 series camera. This gives you the ability to have touchscreen control to be able to zoom and change the viewing of the CMOS-3 series cameras. We'll select close and then go back to the main screen. We'll select the down arrow and turn demonstration off and then select finish. You will notice another new change for us this year is that the warning message, you can select this box right here and it will automatically remove this message after 10 seconds. When selecting the menu button, you can go to the Setup menu and select User Interface. I'd like to point out the clock function that we have. Earlier we talked about the included GPS antenna that will give you the widget directions as well as working in conjunction with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto maps for the best performance. But it will also let your time sync with the GPS when you have that selected. If you'd prefer to change the time manually, you can simply select Manual and then adjust the clock and date as you wish. Selecting the lower left-hand corner will bring up your list of all available sources. You can slide to the next screen. If you'd like, you can rearrange these icons. So for example, if I'd like my Pandora to be up in the left-hand corner on the main page, I can simply push and hold, and then drag it to replace that spot. Now when I select the home button, you'll notice that Pandora is available right there for the easiest in access. You can change to different widgets like the EQ, as well as the compass widget by sliding or touching the arrow left and right. With the integrated HD radio tuner, any type of music content that you want is at your disposal. Being able to see artist and album information very simply, going to the secondary station, HD2 as you'll see here, and easy adjustments, being able to go directly to a specific station, a wide variety of entertainment options. The DMX7704S truly revolutionizes the way that digital media is brought into your vehicle, being able to support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a wide variety of other options. We support Pandora, Spotify, SiriusXM, and so much more. With high-grade audio components, we can support DSD files, high-resolution FLAC and WAVE up to 192K 24-bit, so you can have the best in audio sound quality. Put that together with 3 sets of 4-volt pre-outs, and you can truly build a system of your dreams using Kenwood amplifiers and speakers. We also support the iDataLink Maestro RR. This gives you the ability to keep and retain a lot of vehicle functionality depending upon your vehicle. You can check what functions are available for your vehicle at the website listed below. And what's really exciting about the DMX7704S is its ability to support and playback files from the new integrated dashboard camera, the DRV-N520. Soon we'll be bringing you another video that displays all the functions and technologies behind this integrated dashboard camera. So look for that to come very soon. Thanks everyone for tuning in to the unboxing of the DMX7704S. We'll look forward to seeing you again next time.